Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Power Platform with Dataverse, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a valid Microsoft 365 or Dynamics 365 subscription. Log into your Microsoft account through a web browser. Navigate to the Power Platform homepage. Select the option to create a new environment. Input a name for your environment in the designated field. Choose the region in which you want to set up your environment. Decide on the type of environment you require, either production or non-production. Check the box to enable the Microsoft Dataverse option if prompted. Proceed to create the environment by clicking the appropriate button. Wait for the environment to be provisioned, which may take a few minutes. Once the environment is ready, click on the environment name to enter it. Now, navigate to the Power Apps portal from the homepage. Select the option to create a new app or database. When prompted, choose to use Dataverse as your data platform. Configure your Dataverse settings, including entity creation and security roles. After this, click the button to proceed with setting up Dataverse. Review and confirm the configurations for your Dataverse setup. Click on the Finalize button to complete the Dataverse installation. Once you see the confirmation message, your Dataverse setup is complete. To create your first table, go to the Tables section in the Dataverse environment. Click on the option to add a new table. Define the table name and add any necessary columns. Set the data types for each column as per your requirements. Save the changes to create your new table. Next, add sample data to your newly created table for testing purposes. Now that your Dataverse is set up, explore other functionalities like relationships and views. Utilize the Power Apps tools to build applications using your Dataverse data. Review the documentation on Microsoft's website for advanced features and functionalities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.